Tired of deciphering website menus and settings that look like a secret code? Let's ditch the confusion and switch your Wix website and account to English in under 90 seconds. First, head to your Wix dashboard and look for your profile icon. Usually located in the top right corner of the screen, click on it. This opens up a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, find the option labeled language or something similar that might currently be in a different language. The icon to the left of the text is usually a globe. Click on that. A new window or section will appear, displaying a list of available languages. Scroll through the list until you find English. It may be listed as English US or English UK. Depending on your preferred dialect, select English. Now, to change the language your website visitors see, go to the Wix editor on the left-hand side, find and click the settings icon. It looks like a gear. In the settings menu, scroll down until you see languages. Click on it. Here, you'll see the website language option. Use the drop-down menu to select English. Ensure this setting is saved. And there you have it. Your Wix account and website are now set to English, providing a much smoother and clearer experience for you and your visitors. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful Wix tips. #WixLanguage #website localization.